Oli ku BOCAT TV. Leero enkya ne luli. BOCAT TV.
Thank you very much, Right Honorable Speaker. Madam Speaker, I rise to disagree with the committee report.
Okay, buterevu nkwaniriza nnyo ate mpozi ku BOCAT TV olunaku olwaleero webale kubeera mpozi nga ate otuviewinga ng'otuwaakinga. Lekayo komenti tusobole okubeera mpozi nga tunyumyamu naawe era oba olina kyeyagala okubeera mpozi nga ate otugamba tukwaniriza. Tukwaniriza okusobola okubeera mpozi nga ate otwegattako. Olunaku olwaleero ngenda kuteerayo okwogera kwa mwami Bobi Wine ng'ali mu Parliament. Ekintu kye yatumye omukyala speaker wa Parliament omukyala Rebecca Kadaga kintu kinene nnyo. Mutuufu olabira ddala nga omukyala naye agamba oba kiki. Bobi Wine ng'ali mu kwogera kwe ng'ali mu kuwa ensonga ze mu Parliament oba mu kuteesa yavuddeyo n'agamba okusinziira ku mbeera eriwo ekiseera kino bandibadde mpozi balangirira ddala ekiseera ekyakazigizigi era mu kiseera kino omukyala Rebecca Kadaga ye yandibadde afuga eggwanga Uganda. Kigambo kyabadde nga kiwaawaza amatu nga bakimugambye omukyala ono nti essaawa zino kakati kyekiseera atekinge over abaffe. Kiki ekirinza okuddirira gwe olaba President Museveni asobola okukwasa Kadaga nti waayo gira ovugamu ogolomolamuko mu mbeera eno eyakazigizigi nga batutereeza ebyokulonda. Ka video kano kakutereyo kalabe. Comment girekeyo wansi awo.
Thank you very much, Right Honorable Speaker. Madam Speaker, I rise to disagree with the committee report. Madam Speaker and honorable members, the committee report only serves to expose how disconnected we are from reality. And indeed, it is hypocritical, Madam Speaker, for the report to suggest that it is denying our people the right to make an informed decision because we are apparently protecting them from the COVID-19. Madam Speaker, less than half a kilometer from where we stand, there is a crowd bigger than any rally any of us has ever seen. Down here in Chikubo, Madam Speaker, there's a massive crowd every day. So it is not right, Madam Speaker, for us to claim that we are blocking our people from the information that they need to make a very important decision that they only get a chance to make every 5 years. Madam Speaker, in any case, because we all understand the challenges of the COVID-19, and yes, it was envisioned by our Constitution, Madam Speaker. Article 77, Section 4 of our Constitution provides that in a situation of a state of emergency, the Parliament shall extend by a certain percentage the mandate of the Parliament and the leadership of the country. There, Madam Speaker, it is you that would be guiding the country into the next step. Madam Speaker, everything that is happening in Uganda today is a characteristic of a state of emergency. And we all know, Madam Speaker, that because the sitting president is so drunk on power, for lack of any better word, he cannot allow a state of emergency. So, Madam Speaker, we must not be seen to be so hypocritical to try to gag our people and stop them from connecting. We must all be reminded that here in Uganda, a bad election has cost our country more than 500,000 lives. So, Madam Speaker, anytime now the people of Uganda are going to run out of patience, and we shall have nobody to blame but this Parliament. I thank you.
Noza ka video nawo okerabiddeko kati kiri erigwe okusalawo omukyalo ono yatiriridde eggwanga oba tulinde kugamba nti abaye kakati ekintu nze nkiwungula mumpe mvugemu. Ala Bobi Wine oteeka abantu ku bakirira kikemo ku musito. Tova ku BOCAT TV nze Sula Senyonga.
Oli ku BOCAT TV. Leero enkya ne luli. BOCAT TV.